Ndlunankulu wesive semazulu inkosi Mangosuthu Buthelezi ukuqinisekisile ukuthi silo semabandla inkosi iguduzwe lithini sitawutshalwa ngelesithathu ebusuku ngekulandzela lisiko. Buthelezi uthi ukutshalwa kwengonyama kutawuhanjelwa ngemazinyane nalabakhethekile.
As per His Majesty's wishes, his mortal remains will be interred in a private burial tomorrow night. That is on Wednesday night. I know that there's confusion about this. Because in Zulu say kusitho. But in this case, in Zulu, that covers even the early hours of the morning, as long as people are not out of their beds. So that confusion is caused by that. This will be done by a small number of men close to the king, fulfilling all tradition. The burial will not be attended or broadcast by any media.
Wendela ubitole ukuthi akusina noma ngibani ovunyelwe ukuthi ahambele lo msebenzi ngenxa yemigomo ye-COVID-19 lebekiwe.
It will not only be illegal, but indeed unconscionable to allow a large gathering in this time. It is of course extraordinary to bury a king in this manner, in the absence of thousands of mourners. And I know that there are many subjects of the king who are not happy.
Inkonzo yesikhumbuzo engwenyama itabanjwa ngelesine kanti itabanetizalo lapho khona abantu batawukhona ukuthi babukele le nkonzo bomabona kudze.